Rob, what are we going to draw today?
We're going to draw a kitten vampire coming out of a pumpkin. Folding surprise.
Ooh.
We hope you're going to follow along with us. You need something to draw with. We're going to use markers, some paper, and
something to color with.
Yeah, good job. All right, let's get started. We're first going to fold our paper. We're going to take the top edge and fold it down to the bottom. This is to get it ready for the folding surprise. I like folding it right down the middle and then out to the sides. Then we're going to take that top edge or top flap and fold it back up to the top edge. Good job, Mrs. Hubbs.
Oh, thank you.
You like doing the folding surprises, don't you?
I love folding surprises. I think they're so cute.
Me too. We're going to flip it over and we're going to do one more fold. Take this flap, fold it up to the top. This one's actually just a guide fold so that we know where to draw and where not to draw. We're going to unfold that one. You can flatten it out and then flip it back over.
All right.
Now we're ready to draw.
Okay.
Let's first put a scratch piece of paper underneath our drawing so that our markers don't bleed through this paper and get onto our table.
Good idea.
Yeah. Now we're going to draw our pumpkin first. And we're going to draw a little curve. We'll draw the top of our pumpkin. We're just going to draw a little rainbow line for the top of our pumpkin. Yeah. Then we're going to draw the bottom of our pumpkin. We're going to come down, around, and back up. Connect to the other side. Now we're ready to draw the top of our pumpkin. We'll draw the stem. Let's draw two little curves coming out of the top. And then we can connect those at the top. All right, let's also draw a leaf. We can first draw a curve coming out to the left, and then we'll draw a curve on the top, and then also curve around for the bottom of the leaf. Now let's draw the cute little jack-o'-lantern face.
All right.
We're first going to draw two lines for the middle of the pumpkin eyes. Yeah, and then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down on both sides. Now we can draw the bottom of the pumpkin eyes, connect those, so it looks like two triangles.
Okay.
Now we can also draw, let's make it look 3D. So we're going to draw a smaller triangle shape inside. It looks like a V shape, a sideways V, and then we're going to draw the same thing on the other side.
Okay.
Then let's draw the mouth. We're going to draw a curve underneath.
Okay.
And then we can draw another curve underneath that so it's open.
Very cute.
Then we can also make this look 3D too. Let's draw another smaller curve inside.
All right.
Now we're ready to open up the paper, our folding surprise. So the top of our pumpkin is up here and the bottom is down here. Let's extend the side of the pumpkin down here at the bottom. And we're going to extend it past the fold.
Okay.
There you go. Then we can draw a zigzag line. You know how you cut the top of the pumpkin open so that you can clean it, right?
Yeah.
That's kind of what we're doing. You want to make sure that the zigzag doesn't go below this bottom fold.
Okay.
You're doing it. Yeah.
Right.
Good job. That's because when we fold it back up, it's going to cover it.
Connect.
Yeah.
Okay.
So
All
if
right.
those little zigzags were below the fold, you'd actually see them. So let's do the same thing up here at the top. We'll extend the sides down past the fold. Then we're going to draw a zigzag just like we did at the bottom for the top of the pumpkin.
Okay.
Good. All right, now we're ready to draw our little vampire kitten. We're first going to draw the head. We'll start over here, and we're going to draw a big U shape underneath the pumpkin lid, the top of the pumpkin. Then let's draw the ears. We'll draw a V shape, a sideways V, and we can draw that on both sides.
Oh, is that good?
Yes, that's perfect. It's okay if ours look a little different, right?
Yes.
Because the most important thing is
To have fun.
have fun and to
Practice.
practice. Let's keep going. Now, let's draw a smaller V inside for the inside of our cat ears,
All right.
kitten ears. I love your little ears. They look cute.
Thanks.
All right, now
trying.
you're doing great. Now let's draw our little kitten face. We'll first draw the eyes. Let's draw two ovals, about that size. Let's draw a smaller circle inside of each oval. That's for the highlight, so the eyes look shiny. Yeah. And then let's color in the big oval, but leave the little circles white. Now we can draw the outside of the eye. We're going to draw a U shape. I'm going to start on the inside of the pupil and then draw an upside down U that comes out further past the eye. It's a little tricky. There you go. Then we're going to do the same thing on the left side, but we're going to do it flipped. So we're going to draw the U shape going this way, upside down U going the other direction. Yeah. Then we can also connect the bottom of the U to the bottom of the pupil. You did it. Now let's draw the nose. We're going to draw a cute little V in between the eyes but lower. Then we can connect the top. Looks like an upside down triangle.
Little nose.
Little nose. And we can draw the mouth. We're going to draw a small U shape going both directions.
Aw, I like it.
Except since it's a vampire kitten, we need to draw little sharp teeth. Yeah. What's our kitten missing?
I think his little whiskers.
Yeah, the little whiskers. Let's draw 3 little lines coming out of the cheek on the left and also on the right. Now we're ready to draw the body. Let's draw 2 lines, one on the left and one on the right, coming straight down and connecting to the pumpkin. Now let's draw his clothes. We'll first draw the collar. I'm going to draw an upside down V right in the middle. Now this is going to be the collar to the vampire clothes. So now we can connect the bottom of that A shape to the outside. Okay. Yeah. Then let's draw a V coming down, a bigger one. This is a lot like the vampire emoji that we just drew.
Oh, you did that with Jack, huh?
Yeah, so this is the little vest, and then we can draw a line coming down from each side. Now the last thing we need to draw on our vampire kitten is the cloak, the big collar that's sticking up. So let's draw 2 circles on each side.
Okay.
Then we're gonna draw a big curve. We'll draw the left side first. So we'll draw a big curve that comes up. Then let's draw a little diagonal line coming down. And then on the outside of that diagonal, we're gonna come back down to the circle, to a point. Yeah. Then we can connect that into the kitten's head. That's the big collar that they have
Goes
coming.
Up?
Yeah, up on both sides.
Okay.
Let's do that same step on the right side. We'll draw a big curve that comes up to the same distance as the left side. And then that small diagonal line coming down, and then draw a curve coming back to the circle. Okay. Yeah, and then connect it back into the kitten's head. All right, now let's draw the big cape coming down. We're gonna do the same steps, but upside down. We're gonna draw a big curve that comes out to the left, and we can do the same thing on the other side.
Okay, love it.
Then let's draw that little diagonal line coming down on both sides. You want to make sure that you don't draw past that fold. You're getting really close, but you're still good.
Okay.
Then we'll draw that curve coming back up to the circle.
Alrighty.
And the same thing on the right side.
Oh, little squiggly there.
That's okay.
That's okay.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's all right.
It's totally all right.
We're okay, kids.
Okay. Don't panic. Now we're gonna draw. We can draw a little S curve coming back into the kitten to finish the cape.
Okay.
Oh, your kitten looks perfect.
I love it.
All right, we did it, Mrs. Hubbs. We finished drawing our kitten coming out of our pumpkin. Except we still need to do one more thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color our drawings. This part we're gonna fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause the video to match the same color. You ready to fast forward?
Yep.
Mrs. Hubbs, we did it. We finished coloring our pumpkin little kitten surprise.
So fun.
Yeah, should we show our friends what's inside?
Yes.
All right, 3, 2, 1, boo!
Ah! Love it. I love the colors. I love the kitty. I love the little whisker.
Yeah, we made our whiskers longer. The kitten looks super cute.
We hope you guys had a lot of fun making your Halloween folding surprise.
Yeah, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we hope you have fun adding more things inside of the folding surprise. You could draw like candy. You could draw, what else could they draw? Maybe a little witch in the background.
Yeah, or a little skeleton.
Oh, that would be awesome.
Frankenstein.
Frankenstein?
Yeah.
That would be way cool. We'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.